and yo, okay guys, and you shut up, you doggy, you toad, and I'm going to play, and the episode 2 is back. I said the episode 2 will come in soon, and oh, this is slowing because I'm playing in the phone, and this is so easy, and yeah, and I like it because that's oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh yeah. Today I'm going to pass it, pass it. Oh damn, bro. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, that's good. High level, yay, yay. Oh boy. And like one came up, then I'm in the low level, like the low level noob, and I like to play this game. Oh, look at that, my high score. Oh, I take it up because I like it the most. When I passed another more four, another more four, then it will. There's another line. Let's see if there's. Oh, that's good. Oh, I'm going to pass it. Oh boy, that's good. And that's easy. Today it's so good, guys. Because, oh no, yeah. And thanks much for watching this video. Episode 3 will come in soon. And bye for now.